WandaNEXT has been a huge support for us. Our two biggest gaps with respect to our cleaning program, we had no way to clearly validate that work was being done and the ability to request services. My name is Matt Savoy. I'm the Director of Facilities and Infrastructure with Housing and Ancillary Services at Queen's University. Queen's University is located in Kingston, Ontario. We're home to about 30,000 students. In residences, we have a population of about 5,000 students. This is their home for 8 months, so we want them to feel comfortable. It's very important for us to give a safe environment and a clean environment for our students. Out of the 18 active residents, we have WandaNEXT running in 5 of those buildings right now.
We recommended WandaNEXT because it allowed them to validate and verify that in fact they were cleaning the building to standard.
Validation of completed work is key. I love the fact that we can confidently say, yes, we were in fact in these areas when we said we were going to be. That drives integrity. It supports what we say we are doing.
People are looking to measure the outcomes of their buildings and the performance of their staff. They want to get feedback, and they need systems that will allow them to do that and also to react to the information that's shared by the public.
We have WandaNEXT QR codes placed throughout all common areas for students to be able to scan to request services in those spaces. Historically, if there was no toilet paper or no soap, there would be no mechanism to report those types of things. Within WandaNEXT, we see when the request comes in. Once the request is closed out, provides with a time for how long that request sat open for. It's been very helpful for us to understand what is our process when it's maybe after hours for addressing concerns that come in. We're looking forward to assessing and analyzing repetitive requests that are coming in for specific areas, because that may lead us to adjustments in our cleaning program with respect to maybe tools or process changes. It could be behavioral concerns where maybe the staff aren't trained, or maybe there's a refresh required. The unique part of WandaNEXT, as we went through the design phase of it, is we know what we want to clean. We have an established cleaning program with established frequencies. So if custodian A was sick or off for a leave or on vacation, we could hand the tablet to somebody new to the area and it would be tailored to match the tasks associated with that specific area. Our staff have been very supportive, and in fact they see the benefit associated with being able to provide proof of presence. Empowering our staff with the tools and the skill set and the training that they need, we're able to then produce a better product, which in turn creates a cleaner and safer environment for occupants. We issue a student satisfaction survey to our student population within residence, and some of the feedback we were receiving from students and additionally from some parents, there would sometimes be the perception that spaces were not being cleaned when we are indicating they are based on the frequencies that we have posted, which can be frustrating and a negative impact on staff morale. So being able to provide proof of presence has really empowered our staff to feel comfortable and confident in the cleaning program that they're carrying out. And it's very challenging to follow up with timelines or the accuracy of comments coming in when it's not filtered into one common mechanism. For us to be able to run a report of all the requests that came in through our QR code system, it's centralized, it's fact-based, and there's a lot less room for interpretation. We've had to turn to that data, and we're able to then provide them with the data that validates that our cleaning program is being followed, which generally gives them a level of comfort that we take pride in what we do. We have an established program, and we're really here to make the environment as comfortable as we can for their student.